My daughter called me recently and said, "Oh, Mom, I am overwhelmed. I'm in over my head at work. I'm worried I could mess up a really important project. I feel like I'm working 24/7. What would you say? Maybe something like, "Oh, I hear you. I'm running on fumes too, and I've been sick." Now that's a response to avoid, as it hijacks the conversation and makes it all about you. It plays a sort of one-up game, competing for who has the most misery. Or maybe you would be tempted to try to soothe and help her, saying something like, "Oh, you'll figure it out. You always do. Have you written out your schedule?" But this response, as well intended as it is, wouldn't have the right impact. She's stressed. Telling her not to be stressed doesn't actually relieve her. Trying to fix the problem doesn't make her feel heard at this moment. Writer and researcher Brené Brown says rarely can a response make something better. Rather, what makes something better is connection. To connect with my daughter in this moment, I say, "Oh, your schedule sounds crazy and you must feel so stressed out." Period. Full stop. Nothing to negate what she is feeling, no attempt to fix her situation. Just let her know that I've heard her, I get it, and I care. Paraphrasing someone is a powerful way to demonstrate empathy. It's a simple but underutilized communication tool. To paraphrase someone, summarize in your own words the content and the emotion that the person is sharing. Practice paraphrasing in the following situations. As each person speaks, I'll give you a chance to pause the video and compare your responses with those recommended.
I have to present at the directors' meeting next week. I hate being in front of them. I always end up babbling like an idiot.
Okay, push pause and practice your response. Did you say something like, "That meeting is so intimidating. I can't imagine how nerve-wracking it must be"? If so, well done. But if you said, "Well, don't worry about it. I'm sure you'll be great," you need to practice a little more. That would be well intended, but it would actually negate Lauren's feelings. Let's try another one.
Can you believe Cody bailed on this? He was supposed to finish the entire list, but he hasn't even started it. Now I'm going to be working all night, and I had dinner plans.
Okay, again, pause and practice your response. Did your response sound something like this? "Oh no, I'm sorry. I know you were looking forward to trying that new restaurant. You must be so mad." If so, great work. Hopefully you avoided responses that tried to fix the problem or change the speaker's emotional state. I hope you made the situation about them and not about yourself. Empathetic responses communicate that you understand and that you care. Try paraphrasing at least once a day over the next few weeks. It may feel awkward at first, but eventually you'll see people start to open up and appreciate your empathy.